Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of I Love Fishing. Excuse the messy hat GoPro here. But yes, today we are out here on a beautiful Lake Phalen, or Phalen Lake, as some of you guys know, either one. But yes, we're out here, very cool Eskimo 949 hub thermal insulated guy. We're gonna attempt to do some overnight fishing here and see if we get in some fish. Took some time these past 2 years to accumulate some of these things that's required for overnighting. So let's see if this is a success. Bought 2 cots, got one set up for now, and then when we're ready to call it a night, we'll set it up over there. But yeah, basically all I did was get some of these cool Amazon gym formats and and tape them up and cut them to size for this cool 949i. And yeah, just accumulate these lights, cool LED light bars. So we're marking some stuff here. Haven't got any action yet, but took quite a while to get set up. This is electric only lake, so you can't drive on the lake or do anything fancy like that, so you gotta walk. And we never ice fished here before.
Went down.
So it's our first time here ice fishing, and we decided to let's do some metro city inner kind of overnight fishing. Hopefully we can get in some action here. Got the cool life scope. We're at this cool 35-foot hole, marking things that are kind of chilling but not really doing anything. So got some crappie minnows on, and hopefully we can get on some crappies, some slabs, some maybe hidden secret metro slabs. But yeah, stay tuned as we do this journey throughout the video. Hopefully we get some nice content for you guys, and we'll keep going. Alright guys, so been chilling here, marking some stuff, but no takers. And we're using a mixture of torn up minnows and live minnows, but nothing so far. They just been chilling with it. So we just keep trying. Pretty comfy in here. So far it's not too windy, so everything seems to be okay for now. Oh, nice. Where'd that go? Darn it.
God, the hook sail so soft.
Yeah.
I think you grabbed a minnow. It's still there. I think you grabbed a minnow.
Do it again. Oh, still there. Okay. Did you have to jig for him to get it, or he just took it?
I took a little bit and I stopped it, and then I saw my finger just get slack.
Go back. He's still there. Alright, so my brother has missed one. We'll see if he can come back again. Alright, so now we're back again trying. Dead sticking mine with the faux live minnow now on his back. Let's see if that create enough action for that guy that's next to mine. My brother has one sitting on his, but missed once. We'll see if it'll come back. Electricity. it up to my trolling motor battery
Recharge.
and use it to power anything we need.
Oh, okay.
Charger. Alright guys, so it's been kind of tough. We're still trying. It's been a hot minute since we had anything marking stuff, but a lot of lookers but no takers. Trying all kinds of minnows, fatheads, crappies, but no go. So we keep trying. But yeah, this is the setup again. Pretty cool, simple setup. This is the Eskimo 949i. It's insulated, and yeah, plenty of room for two of us. Kind of packed of items, but it does the job. So if you guys are interested in doing any kind of ice camp, this will work. You got a cool little Walmart tray there. Got the food. Got the cool heater, big buddy, and yeah, this floor makes a huge difference. As you can see, just chilling with the socks, and yeah, we're just in our pants and t-shirts. So got the cool cot there. Got another one we got to set up once we're ready. But yeah, the lights, got that using one of my Hog outdoor lights right there, and I got a clam light bar, and this is the cool little fan that I'm using today. It's a Coleman Cot tent light fan, just to push the air down. I did have that cool heated power that was for my buddy here, but we dropped it and it kind of got dented, so it doesn't work. So I got to send in a replacement for that, but pick this guy up to use as temporary to push down the air, which helps circulates all the dead heat that sits up there. So, but yeah, that's a quick overview. Got the light scope with a cool Markham, and we're just chilling here on Phalen Lake. I haven't seen anything. I haven't caught anything. We've been marking stuff, seeing things here and there, chilling, moving around, but no takers. So we keep trying, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Show you guys outside, but I think it's too dark for you guys to see anything out here. Yeah, you guys can see Phalen Lake. At dark, not a single soul here, just us chilling. That's how it looks like. Crawl back in here. But yeah, so keep trying here. See if we get on some fish. And, we'll see you guys in a bit here. Alright guys, finally got the hub all situated for the evening. Got the second bed set up here. A little bit bigger than this one I have, but it will do the job. And as most likely you guys have seen in the video so far, it is a dead night. Marking stuff here and there, but no takers at the moment. I'm still grinding. I did get a rattle reel, so when it's time to call it quits, we'll hook up one and see if that will give us a catfish or white bass. And yeah, keep trying. But yeah, so far we've been pretty cozy, keeping this thing just at a medium for the most time. Here and there change to a high to get a little bit more heat, but yeah, it's been doing a great job keeping us still warm. Got that cool Coleman tent fan still pushing down air for us. And yeah, one thing I did do, give it a try, was I have my trolling motor battery with my deep cycle, and I bought this cool EverStart, I don't know what to call these, power inverter, and just hooked it up to my battery, and I'm just using it to charge my phone and GoPros and whatever. I'm assuming I should be able to use it to also charge our electronics if we need to. It so far is doing a great job. Minimal power draw. But yeah, at the same time, if you plan to do any of these things, yeah, have one of these things. These are very important to have. So got that. Keep us notified of any low oxygen or carbon monoxide. So, but yeah, so far not a thing. We still grinding, still trying. And yeah, if there's anything that we capture or get any action on, I'll be sure to cut to it. That's the update for now. Fish.
What?
Fish. Take it again. Take it.
Oh.
Got him.
Dang,
Come on.
finally, dude.
Stay on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on.
Is it big?
Oh, he's wrapped around the transducer.
Oh.
Yes!
Oh, it's crappie!
It's a crappie!
Holy crap! Those guys been crapping?
Holy smokes!
Oh my god!
First fish of the night.
Dang!
Yes. Alright, guys, it's a dinker, but we got him. We got one crappie on our first ice camp ever. Alright. I work hard for this, dude. But alright. Woohoo! This is amazing. Yeah! Thank you, Mr. Crappie. Alright, let's see these bigger ones. Let this little buddy go. Well, let me get a picture of it first. Alright. Show the cool camera. Alright, guys, so finally we got one. Woo! Hard work, but we got him. Get bigger, buddy. Alright, guys, so finally got one on that little jig with the crappie minnow, full minnow. I see a couple still there, so let's go. Yeah, send it back down there and do its work. They finally came. Yeah, now we marked. There's 4 of them down there right now.
Oh, they did come, did?
Yeah. They finally made their way, and let's see. Oh!
My bad. I don't want to be you now.
I know, right? Okay. Oh, there's another one just popped up. So maybe they are here. Pro, start recording. Alright, guys, so now on the flasher, you should be able to see. That's usually a good indicator of crappies. Get Christmas tree light showing. Hope you can get on some. Hope there's at least some decent ones, decent size there.
If we catch a white bass, oh,
Yes, let's go.
on jigging?
Yeah, tiny one.
Mm.
Little guy.
I saw a zigzagging going up. Oh, it's another crappie. Nice.
Alright, another little dinker. So All right.
It looked pretty fat though. Been chomping, no wonder.
All right, so I managed to get another second little dinker. So again, we're on Phalen Lake, trying to do some overnight fishing here, and this is what we got. So, get bigger, buddy.
Ooh. Don't know how to go get. Is that over there? Is that you? On the bottom?
Alright guys, so got this rattle reel gutto hooked up here. First time using it. We'll set it down. Got 2 sinkers and a minnow. Send this thing down, let it sit. We catch a slab. So the idea is that if there's any fish and they take it, it'll make my thing here make a sound, and I will know that it's a fish. So we'll leave it right there. We'll see if we can fix it to be a little bit better. Alright guys, so got the rattle reel hooked up beautifully here like MacGyver. Duct tape for the wind. So got a little tiny crappie minnow with 2 sinkers on there, and yeah, we'll leave it overnight, see if anything hits them. I think it's gonna be time to call it a night here. Did catch those 2 little crappies. They did come in, but we were only able to catch 2. So we'll see if there's anything that happens overnight. If something does take this thing, I'll be sure to turn on the camera and show you guys what happened. But if not, I will see you guys in the morning. We're gonna call it a night here and get some shut-eye. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. I'll keep grinding and see you guys in a bit. Alright, yep, we're gonna go to sleep now. Got the full rattle reel with the duct tape and bungee cord and everything MacGyvered. See if there's any slab on this thing throughout the night. We're gonna go to sleep now. Heater on. Keep us warm. All right. Good morning, guys. As you guys can see in the video, we had nothing happening overnight, so here we are. It's nice and getting brighter already. Today the time did spring ahead an hour, so we got an hour extra of sun today, going to be. But yes, we are now approaching sunrise, so let's hopefully we can get in some fish. Mark a few things here and there. Set up the underwater camera, see if we can see what it's all about. But yeah, as you guys know, here's your beautiful Lake Phalen Lake. So, all right. Come in. Come in. Oh, you got one. Come in.
What the heck? Dude, it's been here all night.
You know. What is it? Big fish? Ooh, that's a slab, dude. Oh, my leg. Oh, shit. Ow, my leg cracked. Oh, no. You got a big slab, though.
Holy crap, dude. It's been here all night. You
Yeah.
didn't touch it?
No. That's a nice. You actually got one just sitting way up here.
Yeah, I was like, up here.
Yeah.
There's another one there.
It even come, he didn't show up on the thing there. Wow, bro. All right. So our brother just got this nice little slabby kind of guy for Phalen dude. He just pulled left all overnight. It finally hit this morning.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful fish. Alright, you want to keep him and eat him, or you're going to let him go?
I'll just keep it for mom.
Alright. So, mark a few things here, and that one came. Nice. Alright, guys. So now the sun is out now, and it's a beautiful day. As you can see, we've been on Phalen. Kind of sad, no fishy. Just got that those 2 crappies overnight, and then this morning my brother-in-law just got that nice 9-incher, I believe. So let's see if we could duplicate some of that success that he had this morning. But yeah, pretty cool. Ice camping or winter camping or overnight fishing on Phalen Lake. We'll see if anybody comes out today to do some fishing. Yesterday there were a few people during the daytime when my brother came to check out, but when we got here to set up, they're all gone. So must be a night bite. I mean a daytime bite. So we'll see how that works today. All right. Good morning, guys. We are still trying to catch some fish. It's a nice and beautiful bright day. Just marked a couple fish right now. See if I can get them to come say hi. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a quick overview of what my ice camp setup is. Got the Eskimo 949i Fatfish. Got a 20-pound propane tank. Got 2 sleds, one of the big outer sleds and one just a regular, some kind of fishing sled. But yeah, got some ice anchors. Got that cool drill bit from Walmart. It was like $5 to help you put an anchor, so that helps you if you are interested in getting something to help you get those things in real quick and take them out. But yeah, this is the ice camp setup. Did us good overnight on this beautiful lake again, Phalen Lake. We're gonna move up a little bit more shallow up there, mark a bunch of panfish up there, so we'll go take a look at them quickly. Don't have much time to fish today, so we'll go do that and end the day. But yeah, so the setup here is just, yep, the Fatfish house, and then like I said earlier, my floor is just a whole bunch of Amazon 1/2-inch thick gym mats. I'll have links in the affiliate links down below in the video. But yeah, just order those, and all I did was bought a bunch of about 2 rolls of Gorilla Tape, the big These are 2-inch Gorilla tape for Walmart, and then I just pieced them together and then just taped it to create my one board. And I just made it like a kind of like U shape. Filled all these spots except those two because that's where I wanted to have my holes. So that's the setup. Again, just all various different kinds of light. I got one of the Hog Outdoor LED lights, and then got that Coleman tent camp fan. Sucks, don't do it unless you don't have any other choice like I do. But I mean, it did the job, but it barely moved in the ear. But yeah, so everything kept us nice and toasty. And again, like I said, I had my trolling motor battery, and I using that as our power source to charge whatever. And I bought that power inverter for Walmart for I think 35 bucks, and I just clipped it onto the battery terminals, and it's ready to go. So far we haven't had to charge anything besides our phone, but you know, this was able to do that charging. And if I needed to charge any of our fish electronics, that was what I needed it for. So, and again, the big buddy heater with the cool cable to the propane tank, and that will give you your heat on your winter camping. So any questions you guys have down below, let me know. Comments, tips, etc. Yep, let me know. But yeah, that's the ice camping setup that I had. First time doing this, pretty cool. Only thing was I got to get used to maybe putting the heater up higher or somewhere off that's not close to us. I kept waking up every hour or so thinking that I was gonna burn my leg or blanket or something, so I kept waking up to check. So I kind of didn't really get a good night's sleep, but that's just me. But yeah, that's a quick recap, and we'll keep going. Okay. Yep. Take all this stuff off. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude today's trip. We did some searching here and there, found a big school of fish right here, but as soon as we started drilling and setting up, they all spooked it right away. We went to go find them and they just keep running away. So I guess we don't have any more time today, so I'm gonna have to wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a short winter ice camping video with, you know, a few catches. But yeah, any questions you guys have about winter camping or whatever, any questions, yeah, let me know. I'll try my best to answer. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, and it's pretty cool. Definitely gonna probably next time choose a lake that we could drive on. This hauling stuff back and forth is too much stuff for my old body, so this probably be the first and last of this winter season for 2021 and 2022. But 2022 to 23, this coming up, you know, winter, fall, later this year, I'm gonna do this for sure. Not sure when, where, but yeah, this was pretty fun. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll see what happens here with the next future videos. Not quite sure what gonna be getting here, waiting as we're in that time phase. Might hit up that Hogback Ridge Pond again, maybe one more time, but we'll see. If not, we'll just wait for some open water at the Clearwater, the annual crappie meet up there pretty soon. So until the next one, guys, stay safe. Peace.